Hi everyone, in this video, I will guide you on how to create a free landing page with Google Sites. First step is to access Google Sites. Go to Google Sites, log in with your Google account if you aren't already. Next step, start a new site. Click on the plus button, usually at the bottom right, to create a new site. Choose a blank template or one of the pre-designed templates that suits your work. Next step, name your site. At the top left, enter a name of your site. This will be the title that appears on your landing page. You can also customize this site's URL by clicking on the URL section under the site name. Step 4. Design your landing page. Add a header. Click on the header area to add a title or a logo. Insert content. Use the insert menu on the right to add text boxes, images, buttons, and embedded content like videos. Drop and, drop and drag elements to arrange them as desired. Format text. Highlight text to change font sizes and styles using the formatting options. Step 5. Customize the layout. Use the Themes section on the right to choose a theme and customize colors and fonts. Adjust the layout by adding sections, changing background colors, or using different grid layouts. Step 6. Add links and call to action. For buttons, click on Button in the Insert menu to create clickable elements that link to other pages or external sites. Make sure to include a clear call to action CTA like sign up or learn more. Step 7. Preview your site. Click the preview button. It is an eye icon to see how your landing page look on a different devices like desktop, tablet, or mobile. Lastly, publish your site. Once you're satisfied once you're satisfied with your landing page, click on the publish button in the top right corner. Choose your site address, URL, and adjust the visibility settings. Click publish again to make your landing page live, and that's basically it.